Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about the parts of the truck. So let's start the video. So first we have the cab where the driver sits, and there is windshields, engine inside the truck, headlights, and a door, and like a small bed when the driver goes to long distances, so they need some rest. And here we have a door, then the driver can hop in and get out from the truck. And we have some type of trailer and cab can be attached, like some type of metal like magnet they use. And this is the trailer where all the goods will be kept, like maybe not orange juice, the goods you think like, oh, maybe they are taking a lot of orange juice and my favorite thing, pancakes. No, they don't take pancakes. And sometimes you feel goods like it is like goodies like maybe toys, but it is not. Goods means like it is like metal, like those are goods. And if you like my video, like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more videos like this, comment. Bye.